Good morning to all. Welcome to my channel. My name is Salim Mubarak, Junior Consultant, National Skill Training Institute, Calicut. So I would like to take the most of the classes, most of the subject in the workshop calculation and science in CITS syllabus. So here it is our second topic is a friction. So in friction, first part we are discussed, and today we have to go to the second part. Okay. If you want all the classes update, you have to subscribe my channel. Okay. So last class we are discuss what is the definition of a friction, and then what is the categories, and then types of and effect of friction, then some terms, important terms related to the friction. One is normal reaction, limiting friction, law of friction, coefficient of friction, angle of friction. Okay, then angle of repose. So today we have to discuss mainly only two content. One is the force of friction when the force is horizontal. So you can see one block is there. Okay, when block is placed on a surface, that we are applying one pull here P, and due to that pull, due to the friction, there is a force of friction will be in the opposite direction. So here applying the pull in this direction, so the block will be tends to move in this direction. Okay, so when there is a block you are placed on a surface, there is a normal reaction will be there, that is the upward direction, and then there is a W will be there, weight will be there in the downward direction, is equal to W is equal to mg. So it is also we discuss P is equal to force required to pull the block, and force of friction. F is a force of friction, R is a normal reaction, W is equal to weight of block. So when you are placing block on a surface, there is a mu will be there. What is the mu? Coefficient of friction between block and surface. Okay. So you have to find what is the force required to pull the block. That is our equation. We need that equation. So normal condition, equilibrium condition. So equilibrium condition, when the block is start to move, that is condition P will be equal to the F. The pull force of pull will be equal to the force of friction. After that condition, after this force, what will happen? If you are giving apply the force greater than the P, what will happen? It will start to move. So means it will overcome the force of friction. So that equilibrium where P is equal to F, and then that condition R will be always equal to the W. R will be equal to W. So force of friction, you already know one equation in the law of friction. F by R is equal to mu, or you can write that force of friction is equal to mu into R. What is the mu? Coefficient of friction into normal reaction, you will get the force of friction. Is R also will be is equal to W. You can change the R and W. So mu into R or mu into W. Okay, W is equal to M in G. Also, you can see mu into R or mu into W, or is equal to mu into M into G. Okay, so force required to move the block P is equal to F. So what is F? F is equal to mu into R. So you can change the equation. P will be equal to F or P will equal to mu R. So what is the P? P is equal to force required to move the block is equal to mu into R. So you have to apply one force here to move the block. It is equal to mu into R. So coefficient of friction and multiplied by the normal reaction, you will get the force required to move the block. So R you can also change W, and W is equal to mg. So mu into M into G is also equal to force required to move the block. Okay. So that's the next condition. You can see one block is there. You are applying the pull in a direction, in this direction, but it is an angle, inclined angle, not is horizontal. The inclined angle theta. It is known as angle of pull theta. Okay. So last class we are discussed that resolving of the vector. So when you are taking one vector, P is the pull, force of pull. Okay, force required to pull, and it will resolve into two components. One is horizontal component is angle theta. So it will be P cos theta, it will be P sin theta. So P sin theta and the normal reaction in the same direction. Okay. So when your equilibrium condition you can take. So this is an horizontal this direction, and here will be it is another direction. So equilibrium condition, this direction, what is a P cos theta will be equal to F. So you can write P cos theta is equal to F. Okay. Next condition here will be P sin theta is there and R will be there. So P sin theta plus R is equal to what is opposite direction W. So P sin theta plus R is equal to mg W, or you can rewrite this equation uh, P R plus P sin theta. W will be left side minus W is equal to 0. So we have to, we want one equation in the terms of R. So R we can place here, can move P sin theta and W into the right side. So W minus W will be plus W plus P sin theta will be minus P sin theta. So R will be equal to W minus P sin theta. So you know the equation F is equal to force of friction is equal to mu into R. What is the force of friction? F equal to P cos theta. So P cos theta is equal to mu into R. What is R? W minus P sin theta. Okay. So P cos theta is equal to mu into R. R is equal to, here is a W minus P sin theta. So you can cross multiply using the mu. So mu into W minus mu into P into sin theta. Okay. So cos theta and sin theta we have to take in the one side. So P cos theta minus mu P sin theta, when you're coming the left side, it will be plus mu into P into sin theta is equal to mu into W. The P in this common is there. So P is equal to cos theta plus mu sin theta is equal to mu into W, and P will be equal to mu into W divided by cos theta plus mu sin theta. So here is our equation is got. So what is the equation? Force required to pull this block P is equal to mu into W divided by cos theta plus mu into sin theta. This is an equation. So you don't want to by heart, but you have to understand when the block is placed in the horizontal, what will be the component. So there is a, here will be block will be there, you are applying P, it will be resolved into the P cos theta and P sin theta, and P sin theta will be in the same direction of the normal reaction, opposite is W, and F will be equal to P cos theta. Then you have to equate this equation, and you will get the equation for the P is equal to mu into W divided by cos theta plus mu sin theta. Okay, it's an important equation. Okay, you have to not by heart this equation, you just understand the figure. Okay, what is the component? Here also you have to understand what is the component, and it will be easily useful for your problem solving. So you have to do two main problem is there. Okay, so a force of 30 Newton required to move a body of mass 35 kilogram on a flat surface horizontally at constant velocity. Find the coefficient of friction. So this is a problem regarding this figure. So what is the force of 30 Newton? So you are applying the pull of force is 30 Newton. Okay, and the mass is W, mass is equal to 35 kilograms. So what is the mass of the body is 35 kilograms. So weight will be is equal to M into G. Already W is equal to M in G. What is the M? 35, and the G, then acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. You can take it is approximately 10 meter per second square. 35 into 10 is 350 Newton. So that will be weight. So what is a mu? Mu already you know, mu is equal to coefficient of friction is equal to F by R. What is F? F will be equal to P. So you can see that F will be equal to P. So you have to understand that figure. So F will be equal to P. P divided by W. R will be equal to W. So R will be opposite direction. So R will be equal to W. So FP by W, 30 by 350 or 3 by 35 is equal to 0.087. That is will be equal to coefficient of friction. There is a no unit will be there. Okay. So there is another problem regarding the second condition. There is a P is there. A block is pulled along a rough horizontal surface with a force of 2 Newton acting an angle 30 degree to the horizontal. If the coefficient of friction is 0.2, find the mass of the block. So here is a pull, it is a 2 Newton and this angle is 30 degree. Okay, so you have to resolve this vector P cos theta, and it will be P sin theta. Okay, since the block is equilibrium, by resolving P into the component P cos theta acting horizontally, P sin theta acting the vertically. So what is you have to find? What is you have to find? You have to find mass of the block. Okay, you have to find mass M. So W is equal to M into G. So you have to find the W. Okay, first. So what is the equation? Mu is equal to F by R. What is the F? F will be this force of friction is equal to P cos theta. What is the P? P you know that 2 Newton. Cos theta will be cos into 30 degree. Theta is equal to 30 degree. So root 3 by 2 into P. cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 into P. So you know that P value is equal to 2 Newton. So root 3 by 2 into P or root 3 by 2 into P is equal to 2 Newton. So root 3 by 2 into 2. So 2 will be cancelled. It will be root 3 value 1.732 Newton. So F force of friction will be 1.732 Newton. So you know that coefficient of friction is 0.2. Using this equation, R will be equal to F by mu. So R will be equal to F by mu. What is the F? 1.732 you will get from this one. Mu is equal to 0.2. So 8.66 knot. Okay. So then you have to find R plus P sine theta. In the direction, what R is equal to P sine. R plus P sine theta is equal to W. Okay. So what is the R? 8.66 plus P is equal to 2 into sine theta is equal to sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So 2 cancel, plus 8.66 Newton plus 1 equal to W. So 9.66 Newton. So W is equal to 9.66 Newton. So you have to find the mg. So W is equal to mg, or m is equal to W by G, or W by G equal to acceleration due to gravity. You can take as a 10. So W will be equal to 9.6, and m will be is equal to W by G, and is equal to 9.66 divided by 10, or 0.966. So 9.66 divided by 10, you will get the mass. So it is a W equal to m into G. So you have to find the m. W by G will be equal to m. So W 9.6 divided by G is equal to 10. So 9.6 divided by 10, you will get 0.966 kilogram. Okay, so when you know the block diagram, what is a component resolving vector, it easily you can do this problem. Okay, not required to by heart any equation. Then there is a one assignment questions will be there. There is a 5 question will be there, and the 2 theoretical question, 1 3 problem is there. Problem is a simple and regarding our discussion. Okay, the all the 3 problem already we are discussed the component, the material for this problem solving we are discussing in the PPT. So 3 question, 5 question. One is the mean by friction, what is the, and what is mean by coefficient of friction, angle of friction, and then 3 problem is there. You have to compulsory, you have to do this problem, you have to practice this problem, otherwise it is a difficult. Okay, you can stay home, stay safe. Okay, thank you.